Sitting in front of you is a project or task that is so overwhelming that you feel frozen and unable to move. How will you get it done? It's as if you're standing at the foot of a tall mountain, thinking about all the steps and hard work it's going to take to reach its peak. You wait for a surge of strength and motivation to begin, but it never comes. What can you do? The answer is simple. Shift your focus. Stop looking at the entire mountain and instead focus on taking the first step to climb it. Do something, anything, even if it's something ridiculously small, sloppy, or meaningless. When you find yourself staring at a blank page, bang out a meaningless sentence of random words and letters. Just start. When you need to organize your messy garage, commit to throwing one thing away. Just start. If the idea of recording a video freezes you in your tracks, just grab your camera, put it on a tripod, and turn it on. Just start. Sir Isaac Newton once said that an object in motion tends to stay in motion. This law isn't just for physics, it's for you too. It's the push you need to get things moving in your life. When you find yourself resisting taking action, take your focus off the entirety of the task and put it on taking the first step. Just start.